Hey guys, welcome to the second half of this trading video that I'm putting on today. I've got another 3 trading ideas or potential setups here for you. So let me know what you think. I'm just putting them out there. I'm not necessarily going to trade them myself in case they are contradicting what I'm doing. But if they do have a setup and they're not contradicting my other trades, then I would definitely have a look at a couple of these. So first of all, we've got the US dollar versus the Swiss francs. So we can see here, on the screen, that there was a downtrend. This is my original line here, this bottom line here. It has shot above there, and it's actually bounced off of this kind of upper channel line here, if you like, and it's headed back down. So what I'm looking for here is I'm looking to see if this will now push down again below this this top line here, and if it does, then it may well head further south, and we could gain a few pips from that descend there down to maybe just below this previous low here, which was at the 9,438 level. So if you got in about the 9,600 to 9,500 level, you might be able to get down towards the 9,300 level or 9,350, 9,400. But you would have to have a fairly tight stop on that one to make that 2 to 1. But anyway, it's worth a look. So as you can see, we've got the MA 5 and 10 just about to cross. Looking likely they will cross very soon. MACD is looking like it is going to start heading south, which means it might well be that price starts to descend below this trend line here. We've got a lot of strong green bullish bars here. Likely to start seeing some bearish bars very soon. The 2 lines here look like they're about to cross as well. RSI is certainly looking like it's pointing to a decrease in price. It's just pushing below this mid-level here. If it pushes back down to the oversold level, of course, we will see that price decrease as well. Okay, so the next one that I have for you is the Euro and the Japanese yen. So this is a really interesting one at the moment. Obviously, we've got this ascending trend here. It's pushed back down to that trend line, and it's formed this quite big hammer here. So when that candlestick forms, it's likely that there is a reversal on the way. So we can see here, if I just zoom back out again, we can see here we've got a bit of an uptrend as well with the MACD. So moving up here, let me draw it for you just so you can see it. Here. So it's pushing up there. If it bounces back off this line, starts heading higher, then we'll likely see price go higher as well. I've got a lot of red bearish bars here, likely to go back towards that 0 level and start pushing up above the 0 level, which means we'll see price increase. And we've also got the RSI just going below that 0 level. But you can see there's a small the lows are rising, so we'll likely see it bounce off of that 0 level and then push a little bit higher as well. The euro has had some extremely good reports coming out recently, especially tomorrow. Let me just show you. Tomorrow we've also got, that's not on there, but we've also got some reports coming out tomorrow. Quite a lot of reports for the euro, mid-level reports, so which don't have as much clout with the market as the high-level reports do, but they'll still move it. If we do see, however, more issues with North Korea and America, this pair will likely decrease, highly likely decrease, because the euro is seen as a not safe haven currency, whereas the Japanese yen is, so it will likely go south from there. But this one could well be worth a trade. I think if I was going to trade it, I'd be waiting to see the MACD cross. I'd be waiting to see a few green bars. I'd be waiting to see a bullish candle to give us that positive sign that price is likely to increase. Okay, and also wait for the MAs, the 5 and 10s, to start widening a little bit, so that we can see that they are going to start heading up, and also to cross back over the other side as well. Okay, the last one I've got for you is the euro and the Australian dollar. So this is a really interesting one at the moment, because I found today, actually, or a couple of days ago, that it's in this channel, and it's reached this top of the channel here, and it's likely to start pushing south. The reason I've got this this other trend line here, if I zoom out, is because also over the longer term, it could potentially be in an uptrend, as you see there. So if it is, then if it heads back down to here, then it's likely to bounce back off of here if it follows that upward trend line. However, we do have this channel as well, so it could well head back down. If it heads back down to the ascending trend line, this one here, then you're not going to make as many pips as you would have done if it is going to continue its downtrend and head back down to the bottom of this channel here. So it looks like it's worth a trade. I mean, I think it's possible. It's a good idea to get in. I would certainly be getting in if I wasn't contradicting the Australian dollar trade, the other one that I've got, which it would be. You can see here on the MACD, it's bounced off this high a couple of times. It's just getting back up to that high now as well. Just a little bit lower than that high. We've got the green bars formed there. It's just about to head back down to the mid-level. Start getting some bearish bars coming in, and we may well see price decrease back down to about this level here. The RSI pretty similar, so it's bounced back up above there. It's got to about this point again, just a little bit lower than that point. Again, lower lows and lower highs that we can see here. So it could well decrease and head back down to the oversold level there. And if that does, then we'll see this price head back down to the descending trend line, which is just there. So it's about the 14,900 level at the moment. If it goes down to that 14,800 level, I would look to get in a little bit lower than that, actually, just to confirm that the price is actually decreasing, unless you get a really strong bearish candle like we've got there, and the indicators start giving you that definite it's time to get in look. And then I would look to head down towards this decent trend line at about the 14,400 level. So you can get between, if you can do it well, you can get between 200 to 300 pips out of this one, I would say, if you trade it at the right time. Okay, so let me know what you think, guys. 3 potential setups there. Let me know if you're trading these at the moment, or which direction you think they're going to go in. If I've said anything you don't agree with, definitely let me know. Comment on the comment section. Follow me on Facebook at Making Money Online, Twitter at MMOnline, and my YouTube channel, which you can find in the description on this movie. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Happy trading. I shall see you tomorrow.